nigga so cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag of.
Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home. So for today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys about my lovely hair and show you how I installed this hair. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video.
You got it, girl, you got it. I don't even wanna go around. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting in you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the coupe at 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in the bag and I'm working. No, not a vibe, put the work in. Laws and all, I love them all, to me a burden. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get my last name. Know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. I don't even wanna go around. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. Cause I don't wanna play no games, play no games. I don't wanna. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah.
Like I said in the intro, we're going to be talking about my hair. This hair is Nadula hair from Amazon. So this wig is available on Amazon. I'm going to put everything down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So Nadula hair actually reached out to me via email and asked if I was willing to review / promote a wig. And I was like, of course I am. I'm unbelievable. Why wouldn't I? So they were actually kind enough to let me choose which wig I wanted to review. So I took it upon myself to try something a little different because if you know me, I don't be playing around with hair colors. So I decided I was going to do something a little different, and actually I love it. So this is their 13x4 highlight lace front human hair wig, honey blonde brown, which is pre-plucked baby with pre-plucked baby hair in Brazilian Remy hair, and it's a free part. This is in, I believe I got this in 16 inches, so it's not as long as I normally go, but honestly I think I might be feeling this like 16-inch like length right now. This is just really cute, and I think it's like perfect for the summer, especially with like the highlights. So the hair is brown with honey blonde highlights, and I honestly love it. It gives me like Beyonce / Sierra vibes. Maybe more Sierra than Beyonce, because Beyonce doesn't have this much brown. But like either way, I still love it so much. I really didn't do too much to this wig, to be completely honest. I plucked it just like a little bit because the hairline was actually I only plucked the hair just like a little bit. I didn't even pluck it that much because the hair really did come pre-plucked. I know a lot of hair companies say that they're pre-plucked, and then you go in and you just, you know, you see it and you're just like, oh, it needs to be more plucked. This one was actually like pre-plucked, and I was like, okay, boo, I see you. And I plucked it a little bit. I did not bleach the knots. In fact, this hair already came parted. I know it says it's a free part, but this hair already came in a middle part, and you could part it in different places, but I really do like this middle part, and I feel like the middle part was already plucked. So the hair came in this box right here. It just says Nadula hair, natural, durable, and luxurious, and it tells you what kind of wig it is. It's 13 by 4 whatever, 16 inch. Inside the box, the hair just came like regular in like a hairnet, and it came with like but it just comes with a thank you card, and then it's just like has a little message. There was adjustable straps provided with this unit, which is A+. I got 2 wig caps. I'm wearing one of them right now. I think I got this wig cap because I also did get a wig grip. Like, you would put this on your head like that, and then you would like put the wig on top, and then you know, it's supposed to prevent your wig from slipping and sliding and all that good stuff. I'm not wearing it right now because I don't need to. I'm in the house. I'm not doing nothing crazy. Also, the wig just fits my head really nicely. Like, I don't even necessarily need the adjustable strands. I don't necessarily need the adjustable bands because this wig fits my head real nice. And then I did do this one is, I did do the got to be glue method on my head, so right now I feel pretty good. Now if I was gonna go to a beach or a water park, then I would strap these bad boys in and possibly use this. And so as you saw in the video when I was showing you that I installed it, I did put some foundation on to my onto my wig cap and to the lace because it did not bleach the knots. But this hair is so soft, honestly. Like, this is about to be my summer hair. Like, you guys are gonna see me wearing this hair. Like, I love it. It's like, at first when I got it, I was a little unsure of the hair because I've never had colored hair before. I've never done something like this before. This is completely out of my comfort zone, but I chose this wig to get out of my comfort zone, right? So I'm gonna wear it. But I love it. It's so cute. I feel so cute right now. I want to go outside. Like, New York is only at phase 2, so you can do like outdoor dining, but like, it's supposed to rain for like the next couple days, so ain't no need for me to go outside and like ruin this beats and my hair. So I'm gonna just stay my butt inside and film YouTube videos. I just curled it a little bit because I think it came straight, but I feel like it looks cuter with a little wave in it. So I just used the flat iron. I did a little flat iron curl, nothing crazy. It's in 150 density. I don't know if this is really 150. Maybe because it's shorter, it just feels lighter to me. Like, I don't really know if it's 150, but like, it feels nice though. Like, this is good summertime hair. I'm not gonna be really hot. Hey guys, future Andrea here. I'm actually editing this video that you're watching right now. I just forgot to tell you that this hair will be featured in my Amazon storefront. If you guys did not know, I recently became an Amazon influencer, so now I have the ability to share with you guys all the amazing things that I found on Amazon, and you can shop all the amazing things I found on Amazon through my Amazon storefront. Shopping my Amazon storefront definitely will help me out, helps me make a bit of passive income. It'll help me pay for a Metro card. It'll help me pay for like a lunch. Shopping my Amazon storefront is definitely a way that you can help support this channel. But I will definitely add this hair into my Amazon storefront, and then I will add the link for my Amazon storefront down in the description box. So please, 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 please check the Amazon description box, okay? And if you do want to shop this hair, please shop through it from my Amazon storefront. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the already pre-filmed video, so I will just see you guys in a few. Bye. That is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see me slay in real time in real life. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.